Former Public Services and Gender Principal Secretary Lilian Omollo is expected to collect, get this, the sum of 1 shilling as compensation for her unprocedural removal from office in May this year. The former PS achieved little success at the Labour and Employment Court in her case against wrongful removal.
Justice Stephen Radido's judgment awarded the former PS in a case she filed on the 8th of June this year. Justice Radido saying in his decision that the petitioner is awarded a nominal 1 shilling for the violation of her right to due process. The judge agreeing with Omollo that her removal from office in the manner it was conducted was unconstitutional, noting that power to remove a PS was vested in the president and required reasons to be given when such a decision was made. Justice Radido observing that Omollo was entitled to protections under Article 236 of the Constitution. The judge also noted the former PS was found by the High Court to be a beneficiary of proceeds of crime and that the court was unaware whether that decision had been appealed against. Lilian Omollo was appointed as Principal Secretary in 2015 and her term renewed in 2018 after President Kenyatta's re-election. She ran into trouble in May of 2018 when she was implicated in the National Youth Service scandal and stepped aside in the same month. She was suspended in June shortly after appearing in court. The Labour Court's decision noting that Omollo was removed from office on the 19th of May 2020 on the appointment of another person. Omollo had, among other prayers, sought to have her removal declared unconstitutional, which it was, an order stopping her removal from the payroll and the restoration of all withheld salary since her suspension on the 19th of June 2018. Gratuity 31% of basic remuneration for the term served and general damages for breach of her constitutional rights and compensation for unlawful revocation of her appointment. She had also sought a certificate of service and costs of the petition. She lost on all these fronts, having secured the nominal compensation of 1 shilling, and that declaration of her revocations was unconstitutional. Each party to the suit was ordered to bear its own costs.